Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sau, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Okay. Today we are going to start logarithm. Today we are going to start logarithm. Chapter name is logarithm. This is nothing but we know 3 square is equal to 9. If we multiply 3 two times, it will be 3 square. 3 square is equal to, this is called exponential form. This form is called exponential form. Exponential. This is called exponential form. 3 square is equal to 9. This is the exponential form. If I write log 9 base 3, log of 9 base 3 is equal to 2. Means this is the exponent. This power will go that side. Same process. Number 2, 4 square is equal to 6. Means 4 is multiplied 2 times and 3 is 6. 4 square is equal to 16. This is exponential form. This form is called exponential form. We have to write in logarithm form. Log 16 base 4 is equal to 2. Means exponent is going that side. Same process. Number 3, 5 cube. Means 5 is multiplied 3 times. Should answer 125. Log 125 base, here base is how much? Base is base 5. Okay, base 5 and exponent 3. Exponent will go that side. Same process. Number 4, you take 10 to the power 4. Means it will be 10,000. 10 is multiplied 4 times, 10,000. This is called exponential form, and we have to write in logarithm form. How to write? This one is called exponential form. This also exponential form. We are converting to logarithm form. How will you get here? Log 10,000 base 10. Here base 10 is equal to 4. This power you have to write here. Same process. 7 cube. If you multiply 7 3 times, this will be 7 into 7 into 7, this will be 343. And this form is called exponential form. We have to write in logarithm form. How it will be? Log 343. I have written here base 7 equal to 3. The power will go that side. These are called logarithm form. Okay. These are logarithm form and these are exponential form. Let us go some more example of this. Let us go the laws of logarithm. Let us go the laws of, what are the laws involved in logarithm? First law is saying log m n. M into n means this is product given base a. This will be like this, log m base a plus log n base a. In case of multiplication, m into n, base may be any number, then it will be log m base a plus log n base a. In case of multiplication, it should be plus. Suppose if it is given like this, log a, b, c, 3 numbers are given, suppose. Base may be anything. Then it will be log a plus log b plus log b, log c. For any number of multiplication, you have to write log a, means log, first log a, then into sign given, you have to write here plus log b, then again into sign given, plus sign log c. You have to separate like this. Next, see log, this is called product rule, this is a division rule, log m by n. Base may be any number equal to, let's take a. This will be log m base a minus log n base a. Next, number 4, you know anything power 0 is equal to 1. If a to the power 0 is equal to 1, then this is exponential form. Then convert to logarithm form, log 1 base a is equal to how much? 0. Okay. Log 1 whatever the base may be, answer is always 0. Log 1, whatever the base may be, the answer is always 0. Number 5. Suppose it is given log m to the power n. Base may be any number. Then in this case, the power will be multiplied here. Means n will come here. N log m base a. I am writing just base a. Base may be any number. The power will be multiplied. Means power will come first. N into log m base a. Number 6. Number 6 like this. Suppose it is given log a base b. Here given log a base b. We can write like this: log a divided by log b. Okay. Log a base b. This can be written as log a by log b. Base may be any number here. Log a by log b. Okay. There are 6 laws I have written here. First law involves multiplication given. This will be converted to plus sign. It may be any number, maybe 2 numbers, maybe 3 numbers. If it is 3 numbers like a, b, c, then it will be log a plus log b plus log c. In case of division, like m by n, in case of division, then this will be minus log m base a minus log n base a. If anything power 0, in case of exponential form, the answer is 1. If anything power 0, whatever the base may be, anything power 0, answer is always 1. 5 to the power 0, 1. 7 to the power 0, also 1. That means this will be log 1, whatever the base may be, answer is always 0. Suppose, therefore, right here, 7 to the power 0, suppose 7 to the 0 is how much? 1. So this implies log 1 base 7. It is written as log of 1 base 7 is how much? The exponent will go that side. Always 0. This is always, log 1 is always 0. Next, number 5. It is power given. Log m whole to the power n. M to the power n is power. This n will be front side, means n into log m base a. And if it is given number 6 theorem, log a base b, then this will be log a by log b. There are 6 formulas written here. Here the laws of logarithm. Let us go the sum. From the exercise, take one question. Question given: if x square plus y square is equal to 23xy, this is given. Prove that log x plus y by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 whole into log x plus log y. Means it is given x square plus y square, this is given, and you have to prove log x plus y by 5 is equal to half log x plus log y. You have to prove it. See how I am proving here. First of all, you have to take the help of given part. What is given here? X square plus y square equal to 23xy. It is given in the question. Now do one thing here. Adding 2xy both sides. Adding 2xy both sides. Adding 2xy both sides. Adding 2xy both sides. Okay. If you add 2xy both sides, what will get here? Adding 2xy both sides, what will get here? This will be x plus y whole square. No doubt. This will be x plus y whole square. Okay. And this side will be how much? 23xy plus 2xy will be how much? 25xy. Okay. Adding 2xy both sides. You have to show here adding 2xy both sides. Add 2xy both sides. Okay. Add 2xy both sides. Now it becomes x plus y whole square, and this is coming 25xy. Do one thing here. 25 bring this side. Now this will be x plus y x plus y by 5 whole square is equal to xy. Now taking log both sides. If I take log both sides, this will be how much? This will be log x plus y by 5 whole square. This square will come here as per the property 2 log whole into x plus y, and this will be what? This will be log x as it is given into sign given log x plus log y. Now this 2 will be multiplied here. If it will go there, it will be divided. Therefore finally what will get? Therefore I am writing here, therefore log x plus y by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. It is proved. Let me explain again just to see. In the question it is given x square plus y square is equal to 23xy. It is given. Adding 2xy both sides, we will get x plus y whole square, and this you are getting 25xy. This 25 you have to bring left hand side. 25 means 5 whole square. I am writing here x plus y by 5 total whole square. It is coming here xy. Okay. If we take log, taking log both sides, this power will be here as per the property I have given before. 2 log x plus y by 5 is equal to log of xy means what? Log x plus log y. This is multiplication again. Log x plus log y. Now 2 is multiplied here. Now 2 you have to take that side. This will be half. Log x plus y by 5 is equal to half log x plus log y. It is proved. And that you have to see the question given. This is given and you have to prove. It is proved or not? Let us go next number. See question number 2. If log x minus y by 2 is equal to half log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. It is given. Prove that x square plus y square is equal to 6xy. You have to prove this one. To prove x square plus y square is equal to 6xy. This one is given. This part is given. And you have to prove by the help of given part. See, first of all you write what is given here. Log x minus y by 2 is equal to half log x plus log y. Do one thing, this 2 we bring this side. Then this will be 2 whole into log x minus y by 2. Now this will be how much? Log x plus log y means this will be log xy. Okay, first try to understand the process of solving. Log x plus log y. This 2 is coefficient. 2 log x minus y by 2 is equal to log xy. Now this 2 will convert to power as per the property of logarithm. This will be x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to log xy. Now both side log will be cancelled out. Log cancel out. When taking until of both sides, not cancel actually, taking until of both sides, then this will be how much? X minus y by 2 whole square is equal to how much? xy. Okay, I am doing here for you. Just to see, x minus y whole square is how much? X square plus y square minus 2xy by 4. That 4 you take that side. This will be 4xy. By 4 I have taken 4 that side. Now x square plus y square equal to how much? This you take that side. This will be 6xy. Okay, 6xy. What you have to prove? X square plus y square is equal to 6y. You are getting or not? Just to see. X square plus y square is equal to 6. This is proved. Just let me explain slight bit again. And this is the last question for today. Next we will continue this chapter, solving more sum from the book exercise. Okay. In this question, given log x minus y by 2 is equal to half log x plus y. It is given. Prove that x square plus y square is equal to 6xy. Let us start from the given part. Log x minus y by 2 is equal to half log x plus log y. You know log x plus log y. This is addition given. This will multiply log x y, and these two I am taking that side, and this will be power log x minus y by 2 whole square. Just x minus y whole square formula is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy. And downside will 4. 4 I am taking that side. Will be 4xy. Now this minus 2xy takes that side. This will be 6xy. This is the final answer, and that you have to prove x square plus y square equal to 6y. Okay, proof question number 2. And today we have completed 2 sums and basic idea about logarithm. Next time we will continue this chapter solving more sums from the book exercise. Thank you for today.